So these are my 4 reasons why you need to have Legendary Marketer. You need to be a member. Like, there's no ifs, ands, or buts around it if you're trying to make money online. What's going on, guys? It's Jay, your lunch break affiliate again. Back with another video, as you can tell, on my lunch break. Wanted to create a quick video to show you guys pretty much my review on Legendary Marketer. And why I believe you need this. If you didn't know already, Legendary Marketer is one of the biggest digital marketing programs out there. It's like an educational platform where you just learn digital marketing as a whole. And this goes anywhere from beginning, entry level, all the way up to people who are already making millions. So this is my video on my 4 reasons on why I think you need Legendary Marketer. For one, and this is not one of the reasons, but for one, a lot of these courses that you're taking out there that are not Legendary Marketer actually came from Legendary Marketer, meaning somebody took Legendary Marketer, learned what they needed to learn, probably paid one of the high advanced courses, and then created their own product. And now they're selling another course, and they're doing their own thing. But a lot of these people, or these so-called gurus, learn from places like Legendary Marketer. Legendary Marketer is one of the biggest ones out there. So here goes, without further ado. So number 1, and that is that you get a one-on-one consultation once you sign up. So the minute you sign up with Legendary Marketer, you can schedule a one-on-one call with a professional digital marketer / affiliate, somebody who's been doing this for a long time, somebody who's successful with this for a while, somebody who knows all the ins and outs of affiliate marketing. So you can ask them questions whenever you want. They can direct you to the right place. You can tell them your level of experience, and then they'll tell you exactly where you are. You can create your funnels, and then they can review it. Whatever it is, you can ask them those questions. Not a lot of people offer this, and if they do, they charge you extra for this. This is included the minute you actually become a member of Legendary Marketer. Number 2, I ain't wasting no time. Let's just get right in there. And that's the fact that I kind of mentioned this earlier in the video. Legendary Marketer is very versatile in terms of the education. They have anything from somebody who's a beginner and knows nothing about affiliate marketing, to somebody who knows a little bit of marketing, to somebody who's making millions and they already know marketing and they just want to improve their marketing, because people always invest in marketing, right? Coca-Cola and Pepsi still market in the Super Bowl every single year. They don't need to. They already have a brand, but they still market their brand. Legendary Marketer has a ladder that goes all the way up from like $1 to like $8,000 courses. Okay, so number 3 actually correlates with number 2, and that is that once you become a member of Legendary Marketer, you also become an affiliate. Now, how does that correlate with number 2? Well, when you're an affiliate, you can now promote Legendary Marketer. So when you take Legendary Marketer, they teach you how to be a digital marketer, affiliate marketer, and how to create your funnel, set up your autoresponder, and start promoting products. Most people promote products like from ClickBank, Digistore, JVZoo, places like that. So you can promote any product and see if you start getting results. Now, if you start getting results, or you can start from the beginning, but if you start getting results, now you can promote Legendary Marketer and say that it works. So when you start promoting Legendary Marketer, remember I told you it's versatile. It goes from $1 all the way up to $8,000. So now you're an affiliate for an $8,000 course. If you target the right people and you sell that $8,000 course, you're getting a big chunk of that. Whatever that commission is, it's $4,000, $3,000. But that's one commission. So that alone could set you for the month, and that's just one commission. And you just got to target the right people. I know it sounds like a lot of money, but if you target a business that's making $4 or $5 million a year, they wouldn't mind paying $8,000 for a course. So those are the people you have to target. Another benefit of Legendary Marketer's affiliate program is that it's a lifetime cookie. So if you refer somebody to Legendary Marketer and they don't buy anything today, it's fine. But if they buy something down the line, 5 years from now, 10 years from now, as long as they didn't click on somebody else's link, you still get the commission, which is pretty awesome. So they can log in, maybe they start a business in a year or 2 and they start making some money, and now they want to learn some advanced strategies for marketing, and then they go spend $8,000 on that course. Now you get the commission for that. So that's beneficial for you. That's why I believe you have to be a member of Legendary Marketer, not just to learn, but also to be able to promote, because it's something that does work. There's a reason everybody promotes Legendary Marketer, and that's something that I think is going to benefit everybody. All right, and that leads me to number 4. Number 4 is probably the one a lot of you guys run away from, and that's it's only $7. And the reason I say you guys run away from it is because the average person, when you hear affiliate marketing and learn how to make money online and you can make $5,000 a month, first thing they think of is this is a scam. Now, you don't know if it's a scam unless you try it yourself. And for $7, I think that's worth the investment to try it yourself. You know, if the new Marvel Avengers movie comes out tomorrow and everybody tells you it's trash, but you're a #1 Marvel fan, are you not going to go see it? And you're going to believe everybody? You're going to go see it yourself and find out from yourself to see if you thought it was trash, because your opinion might be different from everybody else. So the same thing goes with affiliate marketing in any one of these courses. It's a $7 course to get in. Most of y'all probably spend $7 on lottery tickets or Starbucks coffee, and you see nothing out of it except for instant gratification. Now, Legendary Marketer obviously is not going to be instant gratification because you have to put in a little bit of work. However, inside the program, they do have a copy and paste funnel for you. So you can just copy, paste, you already have your funnel. All you got to do is copy it into your account. Now the funnel's already created. You don't have to do anything. The email autoresponder is already done. You don't have to do anything. They give you email swipes. They give you everything you need to get started. So all you have to do is send traffic to your funnel. So that makes it super easy, and for $7 you can't beat that. So that's the reason why I believe everybody should go through Legendary Marketer, especially if you want to promote Legendary Marketer, because the minute you sign up, like I said, you become an affiliate. So remember this, those are just 4 reasons. There are a lot more. Legendary Marketer has a lot to offer, but I didn't want to make this video long, and I just want to let you guys know that I did take the 15-day challenge myself. I got a lot of value from this course, and as an experienced affiliate marketer, I still got value from this course. And just realize just the fact that you get the one-on-one with somebody, and I did make my phone call. I spoke to the person, my coach, and asked them questions. They reviewed my funnel and everything. So all of that was actually good because it was just something different. Like as an affiliate marketer, you should always continue learning. And me personally, even if I have some experience with affiliate marketing, I haven't got to the point where I quit my job yet. So I am still scaling, which means I can still learn. So I'll take anybody's course. I'll take this guy's course, that guy's course, and that's what I do on this channel. I'm pretty much going to try to make this channel something like that. Like, I'm just going to test not just courses, softwares, programs, website builders, funnel builders, anything that could possibly help my business, and I'll give you my opinion on it. So if that's something you guys like, hopefully you like this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, to even share this video. It helps the channel, obviously. If you guys want to be an affiliate marketer, you need to get a Legendary Marketer, because if you don't, you're not going to know the bigger picture of digital marketing. You want to know the big picture of the digital marketing era. This is not just about getting a link on ClickBank and promoting. There's a lot more to it, and you want to get the bigger picture. And in order to do that, you got to take a course like Legendary Marketer, because it's full of information that you're going to need. So I'll leave that link in the description. It'll be the first link to get straight to Legendary Marketer. I'm also offering bonuses that nobody else offers, which is my bonus. I am also going to give you my case study of me literally step by step from scratch, without using an existing email address or anything, promoting a brand new product that I've never promoted before, with results. I'm gonna show you the results and everything. So you get that case study, it's step by step everything I did, and then I'm also gonna show you the results that I got. And on top of that, I'm also going to give you my ebook. My ebook is 12 of my favorite affiliate marketing programs that are either high ticket or recurring commissions. But that's about it, guys. That'll be the end of this video. Like I said, hopefully you guys found some value in that. I'm going to try to bring you a lot more of these. I test things all the time to see what works, see how I can scale my business to one day quit just like you guys. So I am no guru. I'm still growing like you guys are. Or some of you probably haven't even got started. But again, if you want to get started, just first link in the description. That's going to take you exactly where you need to go to get started. You're also going to be able to access my bonuses if you go ahead and sign up for Legendary Marketer yourself. And that's it. I mean, that's all you really need to do. So if you wanted to learn affiliate marketing, this is where you need to start. This is the video for you. So that's about it, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.